Hello, dear friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a very special, it's a very powerful video which is gonna make sure that your ex-partner, your lover, suffers you, cries for you, and feel the emotions, feel the love that he or she has committed a blunder while or by leaving you. It's a very powerful love realize spell because it's gonna make sure that your partner has started realizing his or her love for you, and once you have done it, definitely within next few minutes only, it's very powerful, within few minutes only your target person will come to you, will apologize to you, and will start crying in front of you. I would request all my viewers that please do not try to take advantage or do not try to play with the feelings of your ex or your partner, because somehow this is natural. I do not want that if you are doing something bad to your partner or to your ex, the karma should hit back you. I want that you should be loved, you should be polite, you should respect the emotions of other partner. If you have got something with you, a spell, a powerful spell, then also make sure that you do not try to take advantage of that spell. It's a onion love spell. We would be needing a onion in this. I am having already a complete onion would be required. I have already cut into two pieces. A knife obviously would be required, but let me side this pieces. Just wanted to make sure that it was a complete onion. We have bought it for you. We need one slice of onion. Here we go. We need to cut into two equal halves. Then we need to get a slice of the onion. I have got this slice of the onion with me, or you can try one more to get. Eventually you would be needing two only. So I have got two slices of onion with me. Make sure that both these slices of onion are from one onion only. These two slices should not be from any other onion. Once you have got it, on obviously one onion you would be writing down your details, and on the another onion you would be writing down your target person's details. Whatever ink or marker or a pen you have got, the ink or the color of the ink doesn't matter, or it won't influence the outcome of this spell. First of all, on one onion at the upper side, this is the upper side, right? This is the inner side, this is the upper side. You have to write down your ex name. For instance, your ex name is Ram. Now you want that Ram should be in your control, so you would be writing down inner side your name. For instance, your name is I hope you are able to see Sita. You are going to write down your own name. Repeating one more time. Your target person on the outer side, your own name, your name on the inner side. Right? It has got broken off. On the another slice, you will be writing down surname. For instance, if the surname is Smith, your target persons. And in the inner side you will be writing down your own surname. For instance, if it is Kumar. Right? No hardcore step. You will be just putting the surname slice in the inside the first name slice, as I have done it. The most important thing, dear brothers and sisters, the most crucial thing is that you need to put these two, that is this one, this combination, under your underarm, and you need to chant this powerful ritual which is there in front of you right now. That is, this is under your arm. For instance, if it is under your arm, so you would be chanting this powerful word which is there in front of you right now. It is, let me little bit zoom it for you. Yes. Saptam Krim Bhuvanto Neem. Saptam Karim Bhuvanto Neem. You will be chanting this spell 41 times. And this slice of onions should be under your arm. If you have been able to do it, all the emotions will be fed into your target person's mind. Your target person will be after you. Whatever you would say, your target person will do, and you will start getting the complete results. You will not face any other problems after this. Immediately your ex is gonna come to you, gonna apologize to you, and will ask for forgiveness. If you have any doubt, or if you want to know any support, or if you have any question in your mind, please feel free to call us on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.